Action. Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. So we're sitting here at the day use area at El Capitan State Beach down near Santa Barbara, California. We've spent the last 3 nights here in our 2021 Winnebago Solis PX 59px
Flat top.
And so we just wanted to share a mixture of our thoughts, one on this campground here, which we think is fantastic, as well as any new thoughts we might have after spending 3 additional nights in our Solis. So, Lori, maybe talk a little bit about the campground.
Oh, this is the most gorgeous campground.
Yeah, she needs to talk a little louder.
This is one of the more beautiful campgrounds. It's each site is really large. There's great views from almost every site that we've seen, at least in Campground B.
We were on Loop B, Site 58.
And it's right on the ocean. So 32, Site 32 and 34 are right on the ocean. Our site was really nice. They're very large. I've seen like up to 4 cars in one campsite, and sunny, and I just really love this campground. I'd love to come back.
Okay, so that's a cue to me to make sure I get future reservations. So we stayed in Site 58. It was level, and it was in full sun. And going forward, since we now have solar, I'm going to try and find sites that are at least in full sun, or maybe worst case partial shade, so we can have a good amount of sunlight to charge up our solar batteries here. Also, Site 57 across from us looked very level and flat, and again, we were in the B loop. In this video, I'll show some images or some footage of the bathrooms. Very nice. It's an older park, but in Loop B, there were 2 showers in the men's room. They worked quarter-based, got the job done.
Very nicely maintained.
Yeah.
Very clean. Wasn't a lot of sand inside, and we found we could really limit our water usage by using the public restroom, and we've only consumed like half of our water that we brought.
Yeah, there was no hookups here, at least in Loop B. I'm not sure. There's 146 sites total, I believe. I'm not sure if there are some sites that have hookups. I really don't know. But you can easily check out the state park website and get additional information on this campground and many others throughout the state of California.
Well, there was an area that was reserved as RV campground, and I think the sites are just larger.
Yeah, and we again don't know if they had hookups or not. Right now, what I'm using to plan trips is All Stays, and through All Stays, I found this campground, and then they had a icon where you could click on it to reserve online, so that all worked out pretty good.
And they're improving this campground and the day use area. They've built new bathrooms with an outdoor shower. They're building a snack bar right now, and they're loading it up with food, so it's going to be opening pretty soon. And the views from this area are just beautiful. This is right where the gray whales migrate between November and January. So it'd be great to come down here during that time just to watch the whales go by. And there is a bike path that connects the El Capitan and
Refugio. However, it's blocked right now because there was some storm damage, so you can't do that.
But it's under repair.
Yep.
They're going to be fixing it.
And date of this video is April 29th, 2021. So again, excellent campground. Highly recommend it. clean showers and toilets. Looked like many sites were level, some were not, and many sites were in full shade. So depending on what you need, you probably find it here. Also, we were about 25 minutes from Santa Barbara. I'll put some footage in, or at least some pictures. Again, it's a Solis 59px. It's about 21 feet long. We were able to easily park it along the waterfront. We had a nice lunch there, walked around a little bit. Lori's into looking at skate parks. There's a big skate park there. A lot of people of all ages, young, old people in there skating. It was really, really cool. And we also did a hike along the beach. We'll put some footage in of that. A nice walk, mostly paved trail. Some of it was managed dirt trail with steps to help you get up in elevation. So
and you can walk right on the beach very easily. There's a set of stairs, wooden stairs, that will bring you down to the water.
All right, so again, as far as the Solis goes, it's working out great for us.
Why do you say it's great?
Because we haven't had any issues, so that's why that's why I say it's great. Also because it's easy to drive. It's very windy along the coast here, and again, having come from a Class A to this Class B, this is like a sports car. It's a great experience. No more white knuckle drives or anything. We got about 800 and something miles on it, so I used the cruise control a little bit. It was fantastic. So, you know, slept good each of the 3 nights that we were down here. So that's why I say it's great. And just love the amount of storage with the garage area underneath the bed. And I don't know, that's why I say it's great.
Okay.
You have any thoughts?
No.
Anything new you found out about the Solis?
No. Bill set up a laundry line, which makes it really handy for our towels. And so I was wondering how we're going to dry our fly fishing gear when we do go fishing. So
yeah, we'll do a video on that. There's a bar that goes across the back when the doors are open, and we'll be able to hang our waders off of that. So, okay, well, we just wanted to share a little bit about this great state beach park, El Capitan, down by Santa Barbara area. Highly recommended. We had a good time here, and just met a lot of friendly people, and the weather was fantastic. Each morning I couldn't believe how nice it was when the sun's been out and everything. But again, I'm sure that'll vary throughout the year. Okay, anything else in closing? All right. Well, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always,
like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.
Until next time.